Thank you for purchasing the clear acrylic podium, part number 1803-1-clear from Fixture Displays. You can find all our products at fixturedisplays.com. Just want to quickly go over all the components. You have the three panels, identical size, the rectangular base, the circular top, and then the podium top to go along with the hardware. The hardware is going to consist of these two screws as well as these holders that are going to connect these side panels together. Now when you first start assembling, first step is to go ahead and screw one of these screws into the connector. And do the same for the other screw. Next step is to insert one of the screws into the first side panel. Make sure you do these carefully and one at a time to make sure that you don't drop and or damage the acrylic panel. And then here you use the other connector to screw in the other side. Make sure that they are flush upon entering, and then you can go ahead, once you have those two in, you can connect the next panel together. It will be long enough for all three panels, so really it's just the two middle connectors that you need, and then go ahead and connect the third panel as well. Next step is to connect the rectangular base. There'll be 6 holes on the bottom, and then 3 on each side. Go ahead and make sure that they align, and then connect each screw one at a time, making sure that they are flush. Next step is the circular oval base top. This will also have just the 4 holes because we're going to connect the base as well on the other, and you connect all 6. Next step is to finally connect the top base podium area. Make sure that they align as well before you screw in. And then take your last 2 screws. Here's just a full look at the acrylic podium fully assembled. Again, the base should be secure. And then just make sure everything does align. If you enjoyed this product, we sure could use a positive review. So please feel free to leave any feedback and or reviews if you can. The podium can support a number of different items. Obviously you have a convenient cup holder here for any sort of drinks, water, water bottles, and then obviously we have a book on top of that holder. This does not come with a spinner, but this is just to show you a better idea as to what our item looks like.